Hi, I've just installed an Indesit IWDE126 washer/dryer. Silly question, but does it not have some kind of filter that needs emptying of fluff from the dryer?
Welcome, my name is I will be helping you with your problem today. If anything isn't clear, please just ask me. Hi, this is a condenser dryer, so uses cold water in the drying process. This means that the fluff from drying lands up in the normal wash filter at the bottom of the machine. There is no separate filter. Can I ask you to take a moment and rate my responses so far? Please use the smiley faces, stars, which you should now see. Please remember you are rating me personally, not the website or the problems you have had with this machine. This will not close your question, and you can still come back to me if you need more help. Thanks, Rob.
Sorry, one more question. Does that mean I still have to empty that every time I dry or not? If not, how often should I empty it? Cheers.
Hi, it's going to depend on what you're drying. I would say to start, look at it every other time you use it. You may then feel Therese nothing there, so then do it once a month, Rob.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.